Last week, as you know, I was out of town. We went to a very fun place. It was called the H&H Americas show in Chicago, Illinois. So what we did is we took videos of our top 5 things we wanted to bring to you guys.
Okay, what are you choosing as number 5?
For those of you who have the Brother Aveneer or the BabyLock Radiance, there is a sure stitch foot, right? That has a stitch regulator.
Okay.
Well, there is a new ruler work foot that fits with that stitch regulator. So if you want to do ruler work, you now can with that stitch regulator. And this is actually made by Sew Steady for the Brother Aveneer or the BabyLock Radiance. This is Stacy from Sew Steady showing you how this all works. You know, Stacy, you sell rulers and ruler work feet.
Yeah.
How did you guys solve this?
Okay, well, this we found out about over a year ago.
Sure.
Even before they launched, because we were trying to find out some options that we could do to help with that. And so we've had a long time to be able to come up with an option that allows you to use your stitch regulator with a ruler foot. So because we're in the business of making ruler feet, we were able to go ahead and come up with a solution where we attached it to the stitch regulator, got the stitch regulator out of the way, and then we were able to go ahead and connect the ruler foot just like we would any other ruler foot that we create here at Sew Steady. So this really is creating an awesome solution for anyone that wants to try ruler quilting but wants to be able to do it with the regulation. We created 3 different rulers in the kit that you can get started with, and then the kit has a whole bunch more tools that and instruction to help you get started ruler quilting. So along with the practice panel and the rulers that we're including in the kit, the 3 rulers, we're giving you this guided instruction on how to get started with those rulers and how to create the designs that we have in here. Then we're including the ruler foot. Here's the ruler foot kit. We include it with just the Allen wrench and some hardware to be able to attach it to your stitch regulator. And then next, we're including some other accessories, a spacing gauge. This is going to be your best friend as you start creating some of the designs. Some echo guides. This is going to expand what you can do with the rulers in the box. And then we also included a mini straight lines library. And so this is giving you a guide to other types of quilting you can do with these rulers to be able to finish your quilts. So just a little guide into more ruler work with some of the rulers that we have in the box. And then finally, we included what we call our ruler work guide. And this is just getting you set up to do quilting with rulers on any machine. And this is down to tips and tricks, what kind of needles you're using, what kind of thread you want to use, and everything to get started. So we include all of that to help you get started quilting with rulers.
This is available now, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can get this now.
And how much is it, if I was going to get this for my Aveneer, how much does this cost me?
$199 is our retail price to be able to add this to your Aveneer today.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
And that's for the whole kit. So if you wanted to get the rulers and get started with the practice kit.
That's the whole kit.
That's the whole kit.
Are you going to show us a little bit of what you do here?
Let's do it.
Okay.
So I've already plugged in my stitch regulator. I've got my foot already attached. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm using the start stop button. If I was using my foot pedal, nothing is going to stitch until I move my hands. So now I'm going to go ahead and start a little slow, because when you quilt with rulers, it's not a race. You want to go a little bit slower because you want to stay on that stitch line that you're wanting to, get to. Then you're just going to move the ruler down, and notice that if I go faster, I'm going to be able to get the same stitch length as if I go slow. And that's really what you're after when you're quilting with rulers. You're after that consistent stitch to be able to have that right out of the gate is not something that you get on your own. No. You know, for years we've told people the way that you're going to regulate your stitches is you're going to set your machine speed and you're going to move your hands at the same speed. That's not easy for a lot of people.
Not easy for me, that's for sure.
No, and especially when you're learning for the first time how to quilt with rulers. So this is going to be, a really great solution for people that want to be able to get started and feel success with it.
And we're going to have a special on these. So for those of you who purchase the Aveneer or Radiance upgrade, we're gonna give you an extra discount on this ruler foot set too.
Ooh,
So this actually runs ruler foot set with a starting set of rulers runs $199. If you buy the Aveneer Radiance upgrade, you can get it for $149. So
Nice. Okay, so they just come in.
yeah, or order it online from us.
Oh, and if you've happened to have missed any of our other videos of the top 5 things that Brett has loved and saw at H&H, make sure you take a look at the link down below.